Hello and welcome. Today I'm not going to show you a motorcycle. Today I'm going to show you something from Telesin. It's called a universal tube clamp. Actually, Telesin reached out to me and asked me if I could do a video for them. Full disclosure, it was sent to me, but I did not receive any money. Do check out the links in the description down below. You will get a discount off of any purchase that you make. I will not make a commission. I also told them that I will be actually reviewing the universal tube clamp on my motorcycle, but I also let them know that I got an R1 and this is a tube clamp and I do not actually have handlebars. The R1 doesn't have handlebars. R1 has clip-ons. Well, let's see what's in the box. I wanted you guys to know that I'm not getting paid for this. They are not going to see it before you do. You have the clamps over here. This is where the GoPro will fit in, like so. You have a ball joint. You have this clamp to fit on the ball joint, like so. Now this is the clamp that you get to fit on handlebars, which I will try to fit actually on the clip-ons. Now you have a knob over here which you can unscrew and this opens up. Now what I'm going to try and do is fit this onto the clip-ons of my R1. By the end of it, I'm looking to have an end product which looks something like this. How did I get here? Let me dismantle it and I'll show it to you. Start with this clamp, put the ball joint over here, and before you tighten it, put this clamp underneath and then tighten it a wee bit, not too much. If you don't tighten it too much, it gives you a little bit of leeway once you install everything on your bike. Now this and this, they actually fit in. There are notches that go in. You put it in together and you twist it and you hear a click. It's done. Once this is done, put your GoPro on top, screw this in, and you're good to go. Now since this is not completely tightened, it should look something like this, and hopefully this should fit onto the R1 clip-ons. Now this is the Yamaha R1 clip-on, and as you can see that this is not ideal to attach the mount that Telesin has sent me. I managed to clip it on over here, as you can see. The reason why I say that this is not ideal is because the clip-on over here is actually a flat surface and this is designed to go on a rounder, as you can see there's this gap over here. It's supposed to go on a rounder handlebar. But I did put it on and I have my GoPro installed on it, and let's see what it rides like. This is what you can see right now. I don't know if you can see it on the screen. There you go. And let's go for a little short spin. Looks pretty sturdy to me. As you saw, I did reach speeds of above 100 kilometers an hour, which is about a little over 60 miles an hour. But there are a couple of issues that I would like to point out. Firstly, it does seem sturdy, but it's not something that I would rely on. Let's say if I want to do higher speeds on track, like maybe 200, 250 kilometers an hour. I'm not sure about then, but it does seem sturdy enough to hold on to the clip-ons the way it is. Second thing being is this clearance. This clearance is not enough. Basically, when you turn the clip-ons to the left, it does come and hit the tank over here, as you can see, and that's not ideal. I would highly recommend this Telesin clamp for proper handlebars but not clip-ons. This is the quick release universal clamp mount from Telesin. I believe it's a pretty good clamp, and it does take good footage. It is not ideal for the Yamaha R1 or sport bikes which have a clip-on, but if you have a handlebar, this would be really good for your motovlogs. It is sturdy. I feel that it's an excellent product, and I've been using the Telesin filters for a very long time. And again, I would like to repeat that this is not a sponsored video. They did contact me to do a video on the clamp, yes. I did not get paid for it. The filters I've been using for a long time, and if you want to buy it from their website, you do get a discount. I will leave the discount code in the description down below, and you can use that code to get the discount from the Telesin website. You will not get the discount from Amazon or other places, but from the Telesin website. I will also leave that link in the description. Do have a look in the description below. If you have your thoughts, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. I'd like to read your thoughts. If you have used this clamp, let me know. Or if you buy this clamp and use it, let me know. I'd be very interested in your thoughts. In the meanwhile, what do you think I should do with this? Do you want me to give it away? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll be replying to your comments. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, ride safe.